order of these molecules within 5 seconds. Yes, it is that easy. So let's check it. Yes, it is that easy. You can find these bond order of these molecules within 5 seconds. So what you have to just remember it. There is a short trick. You have to write 14 in the middle and in the decreasing order 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. And in decreasing order 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. And you have to remember this, that 14 stands for 3, 13 stands for 2.5 and 12 stands for 2, 11 stands for 1.5, 10 stands for 1, 9 stands for 0.5. And in increasing order, for you have to do is 2.5 for 15, 2 for 16, 1.5 for 17, 1 for 18 and 0.5 for 19. So you have to just count the number of total electrons in the molecules and you have to match match of these columns and write the bond order of these molecules. So in C2 we have 12 total electrons, so 12 stands for 2, so the bond order of C2 is 2. In NO there are total number of electron is 15 and 15 stands for 2.5, so the bond order of NO is 2.5. In this NO minus, it has total electrons 16, so it has 16 stands for 2, so bond order of the NO minus is 2. O2 has total number of 16 electron, so 16 stands for 2, so the bond order of O2 is 2. So you have to just remember this trick, and by practicing it sometime you can easily solve the bond order questions for these molecules. Let's solve some more examples on the question of bond order. So CO minus has total number of 15 electrons, so it has the bond order of 2.5. NO plus has total number of 7 plus 7, 14 electron, that 14 stands for 3, so NO plus has bond order 3. N2 has total number of 14 electrons and 14 stands for 3, so N2 has bond order 3. O2 2 minus has total number of 18 electrons, so 18 stands for 1, so the bond order of O2 2 minus is 1. And O2 plus has total number of 15 electrons, so 15 stands for 2.5, so the bond order of O2 plus is 2.5. So we had learned about the bond order of diatomic molecule containing electron between 9 to 20. So what about the diatomic molecule having electron less than 9? So we have a trick known as BABA trick. B stands for the bonding molecular orbital, A stands for the anti-bonding molecular orbital, and B bonding molecular orbital has 2 electrons, anti-bonding has 2, bonding has 2 and anti-bonding has 2. So the formula is bond order is equals to, implies that the total electron in the bonding orbital minus total number of electron in the anti-bonding orbital by 2. So for B2, B2 has 8 electron. First 2 electron comes in the bonding, second 2 comes in the anti-bonding, third 2 comes in the bonding and last 2 come in the anti-bonding. So total number of electron in the bonding is 4 and total number of anti-bonding electron is also 4. 4 minus 4 by 2 is equals to 0. So bond order of B2 is 0. For B2 plus, 2 electrons come in the bonding, 2 comes in the anti-bonding, 2 comes in the bonding and 0 electrons come in the anti-bonding. So total number of bonding electron is 4 and total number of anti-bonding electron is 2. So 4 minus 2 by 2 is 1. So the bond order of B2 plus 2 has bond order 1. For B2 plus 2, 2 electrons come in the bonding orbital and 2 electron in the anti-bonding, 2 electron in the bonding and 2 electron in the anti-bonding. So total number of bonding electron is 4 and total number of anti-bonding electron is also 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So B2 plus 2 has bond order 0. For B2 plus has 2 electron in the bonding, 2 electron in the anti-bonding, 2 electron in the bonding and 1 electron in the anti-bonding. So total number of bonding electron is 4 and total number of anti-bonding electron is 3. So 4 minus 3 implies that 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So bond order of B2 plus has 0.5 bond order. So that's all for this video. You have to just remember the trick BABA for the number of electron less than 9 and the chart for the electron diatomic molecule containing electron 9 to 20. Thank you.